for this lesson today is going to be player. As you see, we are killing one NPC per frame, for example, and we want to level up every time that we kill an NPC. Super realistic MMO, of course. Transaction was used so that we executed a sequence of operations that made sense for a level up, right? Maybe on the level up, it is just not only the experience. Maybe it is also granting the player some gold or changing the color of the name to red. I don't know. And we don't want to leave the developer too much freedom when it comes to saying something like, I kill an NPC, let me level up by setting the level +1. And what happened to my keywords? I don't want to do something like this, right? Give the developer too much control. And maybe I want to give some gold, right? I don't know, 5 gold, whatever. I don't want that. And for two reasons. First is that you can make mistakes, right? You can make the mistakes of setting the wrong parameters. And of course, you can say, let's put this in a different method. But the second reason is for safety. I don't want anyone to have access or like write access or setter access to sensitive variables like the level and experience and gold, right? That's why I hide this under the transactions.